Hi everyone, good to see you in our third lesson. Today we talk about token economics. This is one of the most important aspects. By tokenomics you can assess the stability and perspective of a project. For example, it's important not to have a large number of tokens in the hands of one or a few people. Otherwise, they can easily manage the value of a token. Developers highlight the following properties which they consider key. The native token of the network represents meaningful value. The system incentivizes the actors on the network to contribute to its security. The incentivized do not inadvertently encourage dishonest or malicious behavior. It promotes the development and use of an ecosystem of useful applications. It fosters decentralization such that no single party can control the entire system. As you can see, the principles are aimed at the stable development of the network. What is a native unit of account in the Aleo network? It's Aleo credits. These credits are used to pay transaction fees similar to Bitcoin and are anticipated to be the preferred currency of provers who we expect to run as L2 providers on top of the network. Similar to AWS credits being exchanged for cloud services, Aleo credits enable access to a key computational resource of the next generation, zero-knowledge compute. This is defined as any computation inside of snarkware, which inherently uses zero-knowledge cryptography to provide fully private and performant applications. Zero-knowledge cryptography uses proofs which describe and attest to an outcome of a program represented as a circuit. The circuits themselves are sub-denominated in gates, so an Aleo credit represents the cost of computing some fractional portion of a zero-knowledge proof. Science mining in proof of succinct work is proving Aleo credits are a natural way for the market to price the value of a zero-knowledge proof for an arbitrary program. Therefore, the price of that asset should roughly represent the demand for zero-knowledge compute overall. Given the number of potential applications for this technology, I expect zero-knowledge compute to be a critical computational resource for the next generation of decentralized scalable networks. I hope this information wasn't too difficult for you. So, who gets the tokens? At launch, Aleo credits will be distributed between early backers, builders and community members, as well as a foundation or other entities that will provide grants and ensure the continued development of the network. In the table you see the reward for the block at different times. Next, go to the issuance schedule. In the first few years, there will be a fairly large number of tokens being issued, which will lead to inflation, but it will come down fairly quickly. I will now talk about a graph that proves the stability of tokens in the future. In the graph you can see the distribution of tokens, so in 5 years, more than half of the tokens will be in free float. This indicator is very important. One important strength of Aleo using a proof of work variant instead of alternate consensus mechanisms such as proof of stake is that, especially in the early phase of the network, tokens will be more widely distributed. Control will be decentralized from day one and the Aleo network will survive with or without the Aleo core team. This is the tried and true route that other blockchains have used to scale while ensuring network security. Traditionally, I will leave the last word to the developers. They say the following. Our goal at Aleo is to create a decentralized open-source network that will offer robust support for building, deploying, and running private applications on the web. We believe that the open, decentralized nature of this foundation will provide a far stronger incentive to participate. And just like Bitcoin's economic model was critical to its success, a stable token economy with predictable prices provides the perfect underpinning to enable the next generation of computing based on zero-knowledge cryptography. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson.